winter storm warning. Shit. Hopefully it don't get no worse than this. Up, gang, I tried to dodge the winter storm warning, man. It looks like y'all boy got caught in this shit. See, it probably not even been 15 minutes. What's the word, gang? Y'all boy back up. I'm out. Finna hit the road. Finna get ready and stop over here at this gas station and top this bad boy off. We had a half a tank. Top this bad boy off before we hit the road, man. Shit. Trying to hit it, man. Trying to end the night tonight in OKC, Oklahoma City. Shit, that's about 13 hours away. It's about 6, almost 7 a.m. Shit, if we can get out there tonight, that'd be nice. Get to OKC. So I'm about to get some gas. And I'm about to hit the highway, y'all, and try to get my ass home. I'm in Arizona. It's nice out here. I don't know if y'all can see that, man. We got Walmart right here and then the mountains lining it, man. That shit is nice looking, but I'm ready to get back home where it's buildings and people and civilization and fast living. I like that shit. I just realized I'm a fan of fast living, fam. I can't, well, I just don't like the fucking mountains. Yep, so, yeah, but the sky and shit is beautiful, man. I'm thankful to be out here, man. This shit is real nice. Shit, that shit is really gorgeous. It really, really is. So yeah, man, I'm gonna tap back in with y'all in a little bit, man. Yeah, gang, I finished filling up.
Turn left to I-40 East, US 93 South toward Flagstaff, Phoenix.
On my way off, y'all. On my way off. We are about to hit the road. The plan is to make it to Oklahoma City, Oklahoma tonight.
Use the left lane to turn left to I-40 East, US 93 South toward Flagstaff, Phoenix.
Yeah, so the plan is to get there and shit, bunker down, relax, and take a load off in Oklahoma. And then shit, we should be on the final stretch. We should be a few hours from home, then about probably another 10 hours away from home. So we'll bunker down, get some rest, and then get up and get back to it, y'all. Yeah, man, y'all boys get back on the highway. Look at these fucking mountains that I was trying to dodge last night, man. Y'all boy is out here. This is a very, very beautiful.
Continue straight for 13 hours and 20 minutes.
Scenery.
Exit 158 Shields Boulevard.
Look at the Arizona cribs, man. Look like hotel. So, yeah, so I'm about to hit this slab, y'all. Finna try to hit it hard and try to get my butt to get my ass to Oklahoma. So I'll tap back in with y'all when we crossing over state lines. I think we gotta go through New Mexico, Texas, and then Oklahoma. So yep, so hopefully when we get through, we'll show y'all what that shit look like, and then we gonna keep it pushing. Look at the Arizona cribs, gang. With the mountain scenery. I don't know. I don't think I can do it, y'all. No thanks for me. But yeah, make sure y'all tap in, man. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, man. Make sure y'all hit that comment section so I can chop it up with y'all. Make sure y'all subscribe to my channel, man. Show y'all boys some love, man. We out.
Hit it 2 times and it's gon' sell. Making all that money out the motels. Get caught on the road and he don't tell blowtails. Nigga, what you know about them blowtails? Nigga, what you know about them coke sales? About that lean and them blow sales. You ain't never hit the road with that shit on. with a bag. My thoughts be count money, hitting, moving a bag. It's my life, I don't write this shit. Judging cases with no money, you can't fight that shit. I used to send sales, thinking all night for this. Now a nigga only worry what watch the beat. Walk around 30 tired in the night, you feel. Try this out, nigga, tell me if you like this shit. Blowtails. What you know about them blowtails? You don't know about no blowtails. You ain't never made no blowtails. Blowtails. For my niggas catching real cases, man.
What you know about them blowtails?
Y'all niggas ain't never really had me.
Yeah, man. So yeah, I just wanted to show y'all this shit. Oh, really?
Oh, really? I'm scared to break the top. I'm scared to make a mess because I'm watched by the cops. Fuck, I'm scared to count my blessings because I'm watched by my ops. Fuck the fucking lethal weapon, let it rip from at the top. Let it drop to his scalp, now he out like a light. Every nigga with me sliding shites. Stay on the PJ, but I don't sight. Somebody tell Oprah how I wife. Call me like a little mama tryna fight me. I got sliding graded in my Nikes. Oh, you caught about it, then incite me. All my niggas murderers, you take me. Running from the cops in the goddamn road. I just put the op on the goddamn stove. Shot up the op block, then we robbed all they stole. Yeah, shout out you got cops, nigga 20 times folks. Robbed him for his night in his car, and get tight. I'ma rob that bank, I'ma rob that bank. If I hit New York, I take a shake like a Yankee. They stared at me, he died, cause his pointy in me Yankee. Running from the cops in the goddamn road. Hey, I just put the op on the goddamn stove. Running from the cops in the goddamn road. Hey, I just put the op on the goddamn stove. Straight up by the seat, I don't talk, I just fire straight up. Before a show, I put a Glock on my rider. I got niggas clout chasing, they won't smoke, they wanna go viral. I just put the op block in a deep fryer. We'll go back and forth, dawg, we really shoot shit. Oh God, y'all run around like killers, nigga, who the fuck you hit? She let me know that her job would've hit raw, but she ain't have wild. This ain't middle school when you sucking on me, please include the ball, God. Thought it hanging off my tank, gang on tippy toe, nigga, we snap. What you doing, cops, putting all that cheap ass shit sitting around your neck, pussy bustler. I could've put you for a show, same price that I put this jig, fool. 12 I already know, now they interrogate me if you got hit below the leg. Running from the cops in the goddamn road. I just put the op on the goddamn stove. Shot up the op block and I rolled all they stones. Yeah, shout out you got cops, nigga 20 times folks. Nigga flexing money, if I'm on it, then I'll take them ass. I ain't run no faces, you ain't heard. I shoot faces, yeah. Bitch, you better save it, you ain't heard. We don't play no part. If a nigga has some beef with us, he make the pay. That can't no cap it on.
I don't even really like that song, it's fake turn, but I definitely cannot listen to Dope Beat Fire. Yeah, Dope Boy, Dope Beat, whatever the fuck. But yeah, though, yeah, I just wanted to tap y'all in, man. I'll holler at y'all later. That's how I be feeling someday.
I've been selling dope forever, nigga. Can't you tell? Don't ask what kind of weed this is, nigga. Can't you smell? I hate to sell, I instantly make bail. I can't stay in jail. I won't give a bitch a dime, but I'll pay for nails. On the mile with no drinking 60, throwing up the 5 to see my ex bitch. I know she's sick, throwing up the side. Pussy, I cut bloody as fuck like when a cherry pop. I done took my head shots with the cannon and Jerry shot. Before you smoked the big rigs, we had a lyric spot. I was pouring here, throw the fatty out. Here come a cherry top. Can't have 100 bricks of pure food is still on silly top. You can't wait a whole brick up. What kind of skill you got? I drop a lot of lean today, that's why I keep on lying. I put the ram a bitch like a Hemi, then I got a dodge. A nigga never took shit from me, yo. I was robbing when I was Robs ain't got shit to their name, but it's shut up true. What you gonna do? I'm like, what you gonna do? What you gonna do? flex and niggas get offended. All my bitches rock a Mike and Mary, not no Lululemon. Yeah, boy, them $1,000 jeans, if you know the denim. Brody say he wanna triple up if he go through Virginia. But I go get plenty pay, bitches give me plenty face. She don't fuck with you because you took her on the wood cake. Cookie in the wood lab, boy, we got the hood slap. I get in the kitchen and I put me at the pool master. Get a little bitch, she wanna suck me cause the wood is smack. Talk the bitch, I'm right back to the spot. It's a jewel crash, my bitch is a little Rex. I come through the little Jackson. Money dropping niggas, robbing niggas that ain't hood status. All my bitches bullshit, bad, Barbies. They can look at these and they can tell they Peter Hardys. Bitches love a nigga that be waking up and getting paid. Bitches hate a nigga that be waking up in niggas' face. Bitches love a nigga that know how to make a bow curl. At 5 on her tits, now she got mute like a for show girl. I'm like, little baby, what you on? She like, boy, I'm grown. Me and my bitch fucking all my bitches, she know all my hoes. Little nigga, all my bitches bad, so I can't just scale. Shit, I kinda love them all, just like K. Michelle.
I'ma holla at y'all, man. I'ma holla at y'all, subscribe, man.
I keep feeling sick. Last night I prayed over myself and it went away, but right now I'm starting to feel that same feeling, like sick on something.
Yeah, that's how I've been feeling too, man. Like when I've been eating stuff, it's like I ain't even been wanting to eat nothing. It's kind of weird. I don't know what's going on. I don't know. I don't know. But I've been eating fruit and stuff. Like I've been eating fruit, but that ain't like, I mean, it's straight, but that's the only thing that been feeling like all right. Like I tried to eat that White Castle when I first started. It made me feel so sick. You hear me? Oh well, guys, fucking calls drop every fucking 10 seconds. So yeah, they say I'm almost by the Grand Canyon or some shit. Grand Canyon, next 3 exits. What? Y'all boy is not going to no funky ass Grand Canyon. No thanks. Trying to get home in one piece. For real. It's starting to snow a little bit, y'all. I tried to go through Arizona, like basically down through the south to go through this winter storm warning that they had that was in Colorado. So shit, I'm in Arizona, but shit, I'm still seeing snow. It's like snow hitting the windshield and shit. So shit, hopefully it don't get no worse than this. But yeah, I'm gonna tap in with y'all later on. Shit, I'm just trucking on my way home, y'all. Y'all boy ready to be back in Illinois, man, for real. I'm ready to be back. Yep, so I'm gonna tap in with y'all later, man. Gonna holla at y'all, man. Shit, they got the exit right here for the goddamn Grand Canyon gang. It say Williams, Grand Canyon, exit 50 miles per hour. Route 66. So maybe one day, I don't know. But I'm definitely uninterested in some shit like that. No thanks. But we'll see. So yeah, man, if y'all new to the channel, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Make sure y'all turn on that post notification bell so you get notified when I post. Make sure y'all drop some comments down in that comment section so we can kick shit down there. And you feel me? Join the FBE family, man. Y'all make sure y'all get part of the family, man. So yep. Shit, yep. I'll holler at y'all later on. Damn, gang, I tried to dodge the winter storm warning, man. It looks like y'all boy got caught in this shit, man. So, Lord, man, please bless your boy to get home safe. Please get me the fuck out of this snow. And watch over me. Bless these folks driving out here. And protect us all, man, for real. Because this shit is not a joke. For real. And then my OG just told me in these southern states they don't ride around in soft roads and shit, so I gotta be super mindful. But yeah, I just wanted to show y'all how shit, this road shit really ain't no joke. You'll be fucking in sunny weather with, you know, 70 degrees, and then you'll fucking be in 30 degrees with snow in the next fucking mile or two. So you definitely got to be on point, man. Make sure y'all being very diligent out here. And I'm gonna holler at y'all later because this shit is crazy. So tap in, man. Okay, y'all, we out the mountains, I guess, or wherever we was just at. As y'all can see, it probably not even been 15 minutes since I recorded that last video of all that damn snow on the ground. And now we somewhere where it's super sunny, clear grounds, no snow, you know, so that's cool. I hope it stay like this for the rest of the ride home, man. I hope I just got nice clear roads, get myself back safe and sound, man. So make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, man. I just want to show y'all the wonders of this road lifestyle, you feel me? Because this shit is genuinely crazy. So make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe for sure. That's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. Yeah, y'all, so now I'm back in the middle of the damn desert, the middle of nowhere. Long ass highways, 800 some miles, 840 miles to fucking Oklahoma. So, yep. So hopefully we get there safe and sound, man. You know? Pray for y'all motherfucking boy, man. Out here in the middle of Hickey Tick again. Shit.
Mama got that bag by the nighttime. Was on 32nd Street, I was like, dead done. Moved to Francis feeling, met my real friends. Mama said they down there for her, you get here. That was back before I was like Uzi Vert. Mama saw me in action and could got worse. I know that my mama know I'm shooting first. I don't wanna sign up. I'll chill, getting commas. Like my dad, I'm a grinder. She don't want me locked up. Mama, I'm gon' wash up. Yeah, with my wrist it lock up. All my diamonds rocked up. I don't wanna sign up.
Hey, this Zay Hardaway so wrong. This shit wrong, y'all. I be playing that shit that be having me. Feel me?
Thank you, Heartbreak Kid.
Hey, young Peterson.
I'm still on the block today, tomorrow I ain't changed. Them bitches don't fuck with me, they fuck me cause I'm famous. Homicide first degree, I just blew my brains up. I bring on these surgery when we wake them things up. I get high as Mercury, I'm moving like a robot. All them niggas heard of me, but swear that they don't know about it. Sometimes I pray for my demons, sometimes I pray for my gang, I can't lead them. Sometimes I sip on too much drink, I'm leaning. I jumped in that water, should've put my feet in. I stole my chain, I feel more like a free man. Might not be my blood, but it's the R.I.P. the kid. Count paper time, I feel like Peter Pan. Don't look like you don't wanna leave when you can. I'm down the streets trying to squeeze in. See you catch them lacking, we gon' get them squeezed in. Never seen God, but that's who we believe in. I come from the bottom, I really don't need friends. I'm hot as a bitch with my diamonds, I'm freezing. I'm taking the cops on the chase, I ain't freezing. I just took the game over, got the game over. Spinning shit that's in my range, I'm like copper over. Just wanna fuck me for my name, that's the shit they known for. Fuck them niggas, how the gang don't really want none. I can never leave that thing coming where I come from. This dude might never change, we just tryna work some. Say the streets won't never change, we still all in red rum. These niggas pull up talking, we pull up to the bedroom. Sometimes I pray for my demons.
These niggas pillow talking, we pull up the
Sometimes I sip on too much drink, I'm leaning. I jumped in that water, should've put my feet in. I'ma more like a free man. Might not be my blood, but it's the R&B the king. It's the R&B the king.
Yeah, he snapped the next one. I just wanted to let y'all hear that Zay Hardaway shit, man. Zay be raw too. He got some shit. Hey, this a banger too, man. Recipes that nigga Trello. He was gonna pop, I ain't gonna lie. Hey, shout out my cousin Scooter. He was in this video, Slam.
Niggas so stuck with it is what it is. Back out that life, but it ain't how you live. Got life all the shit that I did. First off, kick, though, we back on the script. Shopping, we have to keep shit in the fridge. Strike to the whip, I just need me a lid. Shop on the like, well, some little brothers are not gonna do. This shit give me talking the strip where I still. Cocky offensive, but guess in my ear. Making them up, what you making it, yeah. Back to the rack, gotta look in the mirror. Up in my cat, nigga, look at me weird. If I can't put my shop, ain't no working me here. Do this for why he's supposed to be here. Why? Bloods, I ain't shedding tears. In the city, let's get this shit clear. You get that money, they start to win. Killers on Green Nation like pills. They get that low, they gon' let where you live. Stand over again, we cannot let them live. We be the same, ain't no man that I feel. It's all for the gangster and then get killed. It's hot in the rack, so I ain't got no chill. Fuck out your neck and get hit in your grill. Gotta get back, now they see how we feel. I think some niggas got left on the trail. Yeah, he can shoot, but he ain't got the wheel. Think about my niggas and pop me a pill. You shoot guns and hit licks for the thrill. We got life, but we need an appeal. Pray to Allah that I give me some meals. Tryna get OG that house on the hills. My niggas down, I'ma take care of their kids. My niggas gone, I'ma take care of their mama. Straight out the trenches, I could've been out there. Still got a mop in the hood in the summer. Got a shot back cause we been through the thunder. This is school, I was stuck in the field.
Hey, look though.
Look at that shit get killed. Niggas so stuck, but it is what it is.
Trello got big 30 on there. That shit, big 30 loud as fuck to me. I ain't gonna lie, but Trello snapped, man. Rest in peace, Trello, man. He was dropping some good music, some good ass music.
Bitch, I got it on my own, and nobody do for me. I might have slowed down, but I ain't stopped.
Yeah, talked about it long enough now. It's selection.
Yep.
So,
Yeah, we rolling that, boy. We finna get rich now.
yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I still ain't got no lows, though. Ain't nothing popping up, but, you know.
Yeah, you know what? It's Saturday, and, you know.
Yeah, like Sean said it. What you say?
Tomorrow for sure.
Yeah, because then it'll be something prepared for Monday, right?
Something prepared for Monday, yeah.
Yeah. Welcome back, y'all. Y'all boy is riding. I'm gliding and sliding. I'm on the E-way. And shit, I don't know where exactly I'm at. What that say? Aurora Vista Boulevard, some shit like that. I don't know. I think I'm in New Mexico. And this is a highly populated area. This is like the first like city that I done seen since I fucking been out here, man. This type of shit gives me comfort, fellas and ladies. You feel me? It's like other people out there. I'm pretty sure it's a hospital somewhere near down there, some shit. You feel me? Like all that shit back there, it's nothing back there. You feel me? So, but yeah, I just wanted to let y'all see this shit, man. This is a beautiful view. Look at all the people down there looking like little ants and shit. So yeah, man, make sure if y'all watching, y'all liking and subscribing. Make sure y'all comment down below in the comment section so we can kick shit. Make sure that you guys turn on the post notification bell so you get notified when I post. And subscribe to the channel. I'm gonna tap back in with y'all later on when I find some more fly shit to show y'all. But for now, I'm trying to race my ass home. Peace out. Yeah, y'all, it was a little accident back like probably like 4-5 miles, y'all, and they've been backed up. And look at all these motherfucking trucks backed up like this, gang. This shit has been like, it was already going for a few miles. I ain't even record that. There's so many motherfucking trucks. I still got enough time to pick the shit up, record it, and there's still a million fucking trucks, gang. This shit is ridiculous. Wherever these people trying to go with these loads and shit, they gonna be forever with a capital V. You feel me? This shit is obnoxious, gang. Look at all of this fucking traffic. Backed up literally as far as the eye can see. Literally. Oh, see these little motherfuckers. What is that going on right there? Oh, I don't know what's going on. This weird ass highway. Oh, that's just a regular truck stop. Back there they had like a what you call, like somebody from the state or some shit back there. I don't know if they was checking truck. I don't know what they was doing. And there was a car accident after that, and then now this shit just all backed up right here for Lord knows what. Cause it was a nice fat gap right there for them to be going past. But golly, look at all this shit, y'all. I'm still recording trucks and shit. This is crazy. This is unfathomable. Standstill traffic for as literally as far as the eye can fucking see. That is ridiculous. This is genuinely ridiculous. Look, motherfuckers jumping out their trucks, mingling, making friends and shit, gang. Oh man. Oh man. That's foul. That's foul play right there, y'all. Look, y'all, motherfuckers riding over the median. They riding over the middle. They not waiting. That's crazy. Wow, yeah. I'll get up with y'all later though, man. I'm gonna holler at y'all. I just wanted y'all to see some of this crazy shit that be going on the road, man. It's like, damn. And if you try to tell them motherfuckers, they words ain't even gonna do this kind of shit no justice. Cause for real though, dude, I've been recording for 3 minutes straight and it ain't been shit but straight cars and truck. Yeah, I'm gonna tap back in with y'all later. We is 3 hours away from fucking Oklahoma City. Right now, we is in the middle of Texas. Lord knows where. I don't fucking know. But they got a big ass cross right there. Y'all see that shit? Yeah, if you know where that cross at, make sure you comment down below. Let me know where you think it's at. You feel me? Good though. You go chop it up in the comment section, man. I just want to let y'all know, y'all boy riding through Texas, man. I'm damn near to my spot. We gonna sit back and relax. I'm gonna holler at y'all when I get there, man, for sure.